Hi guys! In this video, let's do a word problem. So the problem is, I'm visiting a pizza shop. I see 3 types of bread to choose from. I can choose one of the 4 types of base sauce. I can add any number of toppings from the list of 5 toppings. How many combinations are possible? Let's find out! So here, let's start with I can add any number of toppings from the list of 5 toppings. So let's start with just one topping. So topping 1. So we can only do no topping or 1 topping, so 2. Now let's go with 2 toppings. So topping 1 and topping 2. So here we can do no topping at all and 1 topping for that. And instead of, we have 2 zeros, right? So instead of that, now let's put 2 ones. So we can just copy all this down. So 0, 1. So this is a method so we don't miss any. So here we have, there are 4 combinations. So which we can write as 2 times 2. So that would equal 2 squared. Now let's go with 3 toppings. So type 1, type 2, type 3. So here, 0 toppings from from 3 of them, and then 1 topping there, and 0, 1, 1. Now, let's base technically, and we have 4 zeros, right? So let's draw 4 1. Let's write 4 ones. And let's copy this down. So 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So here let's count how many combinations we have. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So here we have 8 combinations. So that'd be 2 times 2 times 2, which we could write as 2 cubed. So do you guys notice any patterns? Well, I do. So first we have 2, then we have 2 squared, then we have 2 cubed. Then if we had 4 toppings, we would have 2 power 4. And now we have 5 toppings, so it'd be 2 power 5. 2 power 5 equals 32. But we still have 3 types of bread to choose from, and 4 types of base sauce to choose from. So that means for that, we can just multiply. So it'd be 3 times 4 times 32. So it'd be 12 times 32. So that would equal 384. So that means there are 384 combinations to choose from. So that's the answer. Let's do math every day. And like this video.